Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are making a caprese salad. So we got 3 sliced up tomatoes, we have some basil from my garden, and we have some mozzarella. And we have some seasonings over here. So now we're gonna plate it. We do it all around the plate, and then if there's some left over, we just put them in the middle. And that fit perfectly. Now we're going to do all the basil slices over here. And that's good. And now we get the mozzarella and we put it on here. Oh, this is smelling good. This looks and now we're going to drizzle some of the olive oil on there. And good. And now some balsamic. Oh, this is great. And then a pinch of pepper. And then a pinch of salt. And there you have it. Bon appetit. So that is a caprese salad for you. This is a great appetizer for before dinner. You can have it with bread, chips, whatever you want, or you can just have it plain with all these seasonings. This is great, and I really recommend you doing this. You would love it, and it's very healthy for you. So I will see you next time on Sean's Bistro. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you next time on Sean's Bistro. Bye, guys.